Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a poster using your logo or an advertisement, something you'd see at college campus, those flyers where they have the little numbers or the things you can rip off down here at the bottom. So first you'll need some kind of picture or secondary picture. I grabbed a picture off the internet of a guy about to mow his lawn, thinking twice about it. And that's going to be my background. I cropped it up so that I can have room for the text boxes here, or you can handwrite those things and then just cut them with scissors so people can rip them off. And then I just did some text up top with my logo copied in, and then there's various layers over here. So nothing really terribly new, but I'll still walk through it. I'm going to go File, New, Blank File, and I'm going to select the paper, US paper format, and then I'll just call this Ad for advertisement. So that'll pop in. Here's the picture that I saved from the internet, and then I just open it up as a standalone picture like I did before with the clip art. I selected the area that I wanted to use, and I hit copy, and then I'm going to go over here to my new one, my blank file. I'm going to create a new layer, and I'm just going to, oops, control, I got that one selected, so I'm going to hit control copy, and then let's go control paste, there we go, control V, and then I can just stretch it out to fit. Notice it's pixelated right now. It'll snap into frame once we get where we want it to be. Drag it up here, and then hit OK. I'm going to create another layer, or I have one created right here, and I'm going to write some text on it. So I'm going to come up with something snappy, something catchy, and I think for the last one I wrote, just got a lawn to mow. So obviously this guy does, obviously most people do. And so you'll, whatever it is that pertains to your business, you'll come up with a little advertising, be catchy with it. And then whatever kind of tagline or call your company, whatever it is. And then I just made a fake number, 555, 555, 1234. And then, oops, I'm going to have two lines there. So I have the main line is the header. Maybe I'll resize that a little bit bigger. And then the secondary line below it. Right now it's black. I'm going to change that to red. So I'm going to bring my logo in. Oh, that's okay there. Hit OK. Then I'm going to do the same thing I did before, where I'm going to simplify the layer. So that's under the layer menu, simplify layer. And then once that's done, I can click on it. I can go to edit, and I can do like a outline. Just got to remember to turn that to black. 2 pixels is fine with me. Looks good. Actually, it's a little weak, so I'm going to undo that and redo it with a little bit fill stroke. Sorry, a little bit of a stronger width on it. So let's try a 4. That's a little better. All right, so I'm going to add another layer. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my PNG file that I created. So you can see this background checkerboard. That is not going to come with it. The only thing that's highlighted is the picture itself. So I opened up that from the one we saved previously. I'm going to go back to my advertisement, and I'm just going to hit, oh, I forgot to hit copy. So I'm going to hit Control C, and then I'm going to move this layer up so it's above the picture, and I'm going to hit paste, and then I can place that anywhere I want. So I kind of got a dead area right up in here. I like to frame it in that space, so I have the blue sky to work with already. Hit OK. Lastly, I'm going to type some text down here, and I'm just going to write Mr. M's Lawn Care, and the size is a little big, so we'll knock that down. I'm going to hit enter, put the number underneath it, 555, 555, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then what you can do is resize that box and rotate it. And then you select on the movement tool and just place that over there. And then I'm not going to ask you to do those multiple times, just go through the process one time. The rest is busy work. And then we can just save this as a JPEG. There we go. Save. And you could print a bunch of those out, throw them around campus with your small business, and hopefully drum up some business. Good luck.